Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to seamlessly transfer your Dogecoin from Kucoin to Revolut. This is a smart move for managing your assets, especially with the evolving regulations and features in the crypto space. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Revolut. Log into your Kucoin account. That's your crypto exchange platform. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Dogecoin balance. Double check that you have enough Doge to cover any withdrawal fees, which might be a bit higher in 2025 due to network updates. Next, open your Revolut app or website. Go to the Crypto section and select Dogecoin. You'll need to generate or copy your Revolut Dogecoin wallet address. This is crucial, so don't skip it. Now, back on Kucoin, navigate to the withdrawal page for Dogecoin. Paste that Revolut address into the To Address field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for gas fees if applicable. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to verify everything. In 2025, with enhanced security measures, you might need to enable two-factor authentication or complete additional identity checks. Once you're good, click Withdraw and wait for the confirmation email or on-screen notification from Kucoin. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back into Revolut and refresh your crypto balance. Your Dogecoin should be there. A quick tip. Always use the exact network specified, like Dogecoin's own blockchain, to avoid any hiccups. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check those addresses. There you have it. Transferring Dogecoin from Kucoin to Revolut in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.